2007. Welcome back to my channel. This is my second ever video, so yay! And so today, as you can see from the title down below, I'm going to be making a homemade squishy. And I'm going to be making an ice cream. But here's the first one that I made that I also recorded, but I accidentally deleted it, so anyways, but today I'm going to be making an ice cream squishy, and the foam I'm using, if you guys are wondering, I cut open a Squishable, so I just wanted to know what was inside, and then I got this humongous sort of ball thing. Then these are all the things that I cut it up. As you saw from my last video, hopefully you saw this. I think you saw that. Oh, and about my last video, I am so sorry about the ending. In the description below, there I told you, just look at the description below. And the music didn't last long, so it's okay anyways. But yeah, today I'm going to be making a homemade squishy. But before we start this video, I would like you to hit that big subscribe button down below, and I'd like you to click that notifications bell whenever I do make a new video. So yeah, and if you want to get a shout out, comment down below, hashtag let me think about this. Okay, I got it. Hashtag Fun Club. If you guys don't like it, please comment down below to think about something else. But hashtag Fun Club is good for now. So comment down below, hashtag Fun Club, to get a shout out. Now let's get on with the video. So I got it in a different angle, as you can see, but it's okay. So I'm gonna start with my foam. Okay, and so got my foam. All right. So, what is it? It's sticky. Anyways, but I'm going to get my safety scissors. And I'm going to be cutting, like, into an ice cream shape. But not yet, because I need to trace that out. So, let's see if I can get this. Ugh. Then, oh my gosh, this is going to be tiny as heck. Okay. So I got that so far. I'm sorry you guys can't see, but I'll show you when I'm done. So, if you hear any background noises, please don't mind. But I got this for now. It looks a-okay. I don't think this is going to be a good squishy. But I put the dots there, I don't know, as chocolate chips, I don't know. But then I also got the stripes there, which I still need to finish. So I'm going to, like, make it into, like, a triangle kind. So I can get that diamond kind of way for a cone, you know? So there you go. I got that all settled and done. Now let's go on with the cutting. So I gotta figure out a way how to do this, just because it's on the side. So I would have done it like right over here, but I didn't. So hopefully this goes out well. I don't think it will, but we'll make it go out. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Okay, so this is what I got so far. I cut this, and then I got this, like, big chunk, and hopefully I make a video about making another one, or, like, maybe off camera one day. But, I got this cut so far. I got, like, all the outlining, and then the coloring. I'm just going to use these pens, but I'm not going to use purple anymore, because I already use it as the outlining. So, yeah. This is hopefully going to turn out well. But I'm going to, like, cut it on camera a bit, so it can, because, like, I'm kind of bored cutting this, so I need to, like, you guys with me, so that'll be good. And so, I don't know what to talk about, but, like, Yay! I got the last piece. That was a big chunk. Look how big that is. And then like this, and then these. I don't care about this. It's very tender. I'm gonna just throw that away. But like that's a big chunk. Like someone bit off of it. Like I don't know. And then I got this other big chunk. But now I got my ice cream. But here's the problem. It's that thing. I just cut that off. Because I don't need a pointy part. There we go. Got that all done with. Or I think I should just cut it a bit more. Should be kind of flat. I don't know. I'll just leave these little pieces to my sister. I think you saw her in my last video, but she was like on the beanbag video. But yeah, I got that and this, and I think this is going to go out very well. Okay, now I'm done with that ice cream. Now all we gotta do is color it. So I'm gonna color it on camera. You want these? Come on, I'm recording right now. What? Recording, you want these? They're so tiny. I know. So I got the colors, and there was like a blue in here, but I don't know where it went. And so yeah, I only got these 3 colors. So let's do what we got. Work with of what we got with our little squishy. Like look at what they're compared of. Like look how tiny this is compared to this homemade panda bun. But I will also do an experiment with these too. But yeah, so let's just work with this, and yeah. Okay, so I did it in a different angle. So this is what I got. So, and if you hear any background noises, as I told you, don't worry about it. So I'm going to use this yellow to use as the cone. This will look nice and snobby. So I'm not going to do it that dark because a cone isn't that dark. So I got this all done. Let's see if I can do this side as well. And it's boring. But yeah. So this looks really bad. But it is really good to me. What's really funny. So now I got the orange all done and finished. So now I gotta figure out what is going to be up here. So I'm gonna do any, mini, miny, mo. And if I sing it wrong, I'm sorry, but I learned it a different way, okay? So any, mini, miny, mo, catch, stacker, spice. So my mom said to pick the very best, and you are not it. Red. Strawberry ice cream. Woo! Okay, so we're gonna use red. Oh my gosh, fail. What a fail. Sorry, this bothers me so much because I need to I think I need to get a new tripod. Yeah, let's get back on with it. Okay, we are back. And so today, okay, now I'm back. Now we're gonna do it all in red. Now I'm gonna I don't care if it's dark or light, but we're just gonna do whatever we can do. Wait, what time is it? Ooh, okay. Okay, so I'm done with that. I'm also just going to add a little bit of yellow and fix it a bit. Okay, I think that's good. So I think our ice cream just needs to dry a bit because I used like these like gel pens, I think. And I'm going to use this green to like do a little bit of the black or make like a heart. I think I might make a heart. Or a star. I'm going to make a star. So, I'm going to do that and then do this sideways. I'm going to do this way. Then I'm going to do this way. Then I'm going to do a smiley face. We're using all colors either way. So, another smiley face. Okay, that's good enough. I think I used way too much. So yeah, this is my ice cream. It's the back. Woo, 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 woo. It's beautiful. Wait, did I even show it? It's supposed to be more over here, but I think I just did it more over here, which you guys could still see it, but like, I don't know. Anyways, guys, but I am done with the final touch. Okay, so this is a fail. As my last video, it was a fail, and I think I still have it in my trash can. I forgot to show you the final touch of her. Okay, this is the final touch of her. Okay. Her name's Jayla, and it was her prom day. She got some earrings. Just beautiful, and then she got her little dress color, like. But it was a fail, and this was actually, I'm actually really impressed with how I did it. I actually really like it. I made my goal today, okay? So yeah, I'm finished this and this ice cream cone. So I'm actually really proud of my work and what I have finished and accomplished. Yeah. But also, yeah, this is actually really good. So please comment down below if you don't like hashtag, did I say house club? I think I said house club. That's what I think I said. But yeah, I'm proud of what I've done. And so yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and please click on that notifications bell. So yeah, if you want to get a shout out, you know what to do. Bye!